Welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to upload a PDF to Claude AI. It's a quick and easy process that lets you analyze documents, summarize content, and ask questions about your PDF. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome and search for Claude AI. Open the official Claude AI website and sign in to your account. Once you're on the Claude dashboard, start a new chat or open an existing one. Next, click the attachment or plus icon next to the message box, then select the PDF file you want to upload from your computer. Wait a few seconds for the file to finish uploading. Once it's uploaded, you can ask Claude questions about the PDF, request a summary, extract key points, explain specific sections, or even analyze the entire document. Claude AI is especially useful for working with research papers, reports, ebooks, business documents, and study materials. It can quickly understand your PDF and provide clear, detailed answers based on its content. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to upload a PDF to Claude AI and start analyzing your documents. I hope this video helped you. If you found this tutorial useful, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others. Thanks for watching.